Juhi, I'm extremely glad to have you here.
Thank you.
You are one of the parents who have really succeeded in teaching your child how to eat happily.
Yeah.
So I actually want to share your experience for other mothers. One of the biggest complaint I hear is how to make them eat.
It is very, very tasking. But I really feel that I was able to win over just believing in myself that I can do it without the screen time. Then secondly, after the food he should eat, he should feel that I have really filled up my stomach. And thirdly, the doctors told me that now you can give the spoon to the baby.
Yes, in fact, Juhi, do you remember when you brought him at 6 months for the vaccination? That was when I told you start giving him the spoon in the hand at 6 months. And I remember how shocked you were when I told you first.
So absolutely, Dr. Savita, I was very feeling strange that at around 6 months I can give him spoon. And fortunately, when I went home and I tried to feed him, I gave him a small spoon. He was taking it, and mistakenly that was where he started eating the food on his own. And then slowly and gradually, when I started giving him mashed sweet potato or everything, the dal soup, everything, he was trying to take it on his own. I know that there was a lot of messing around.
Exactly.
Which was honestly, it's a good feeling for the parents, but he started eating independently. I think without the screen time was a big achievement at that time.
Do you remember the video you sent me with him eating a banana at 8 months?
Yes, absolutely. He took the whole banana and he tried to eat, and he completed it also.
Oh. Even now, for most parents who are starting, Manvik is the hero. I mean, I show his videos to them to tell them, go ahead, do it.
Yeah. So I think thank you so much, Dr. Savita, for really inspiring me, for always encouraging me and always motivating me and always helping me to mentally win over. And then we could see the manifestation of the same. And I think now I'm very, very happy to share that he eats the food, complete food with the sabzi and dal and salad and roti and rice. He will the entire diet on its own, and he even pulls off the roti and chapati on his own. And he also enjoys eating a lot of foods. He started enjoying it. That is the best part. I love seeing him because he enjoys the food.
He'll be turning 3 in?
Yes, in August.
Juhi, one of the problems that I face often is when I tell parents to give the food, they are scared. Scared, won't they choke, doctor? What will they do on care? Did you have that fear too? What made you have the confidence to go ahead with feeding the food?
I think a lot of guidance on that, and I think on base of that I was directing the food accordingly. And also I have gone through all the videos which you shared
about how to manage the choking.
How to manage the choking, yes. That food, I will mash it, the fruits and everything, I will give him into smaller pieces to avoid choking. And
so it's always actually better to give this so that they can handle it like a banana.
The banana, yeah.
And the smaller things are easier to choke.
Yes.
Than the bigger things are easy because they can hold and they can have control.
Because they get the control of it and they know how to
go ahead with it.
Manage it.
Thank you so much for being here. I'm sure I can inspire more parents. When a parent says I can do it, I think it's more believable than when a doctor says you can do it.
Yes, thank you so much, Dr. Savita. It is all because you have helped me making it the journey really simple and very, very happy and joyful.
It was as much my pleasure.
Thank you so much.